G1 humanoid robot exemplifies remarkable agility and revolutionary features, effectively merging science fiction with reality. Its capabilities are significantly reshaping industry expectations. Unitree Robotics has made impressive advancements with versatile robots like the H1, which holds the record as the fastest-running humanoid.
These developments underscores rapid evolution of artificial intelligence.
The unveiling of the G1 at the IC 2024 exhibition in Japan reflects a burgeoning interest in general-purpose humanoid robots. These innovations signal great potential for various applications across diverse industries. The G1 EDU version serves as a flexible educational tool, offering customizable pricing to meet user needs, thus ensuring cost-effectiveness for academic institutions. Additionally, Unrise innovative Unifo LM platform fosters community collaboration, welcoming diverse contributions to propel the development of intelligent agents and robotics technology. The G1 robot features impressive flexibility and mobility that exceed the human range of motion, establishing it as a versatile solution for various robotics applications. Its design mimics human limb movement, allowing it to walk, climb stairs, and perform complex maneuvers. This natural motion enhances its adaptability in multiple environments. The learning process of the G1 resembles human practice. It observes and imitates tasks. This deep reinforcement learning model facilitates ongoing improvement and skill development over time. Equipped with the advanced hand known as DEX31, the G1 can execute intricate tasks with remarkable precision. Its ability to handle both delicate and heavy items showcases its exceptional dexterity. G1's advanced sensors, including the Intel RealSense D435 and Livox Mid360, enable accurate perception of its surroundings, significantly enhancing its navigation capabilities. Moreover, the robot's power supply module supports up to 2 hours of battery life and is designed for quick assembly, ensuring efficient operation and maintenance. Humanoid robots such as the G1 hold the potential to assist the elderly and individuals with disabilities in daily tasks, greatly improving their quality of life. Furthermore, humanoid robots could play a vital role in space exploration, gathering data and establishing habitats for potential human colonization on other planets and moons. In the agricultural sector, robots can effectively help with crucial tasks like planting, watering, and harvesting, making farming operations more efficient and reducing the labor burden. In summary, Unrise G1 robot marks a significant leap in robotics, distinguished by its flexibility, stability, and affordability, while holding the promise of inspiring new projects and groundbreaking discoveries.